Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to automate repetitive tasks in Monday.com and save time, this guide will show you step by step how to set it up efficiently. Step 1. Identify repetitive tasks. Look for tasks that happen regularly, such as sending notifications, updating statuses, assigning team members, or creating recurring items. These are perfect candidates for automation. Step 2. Open the Automations Center. Click Automations arrow Explore Recipes. Monday.com provides pre-built automation templates that cover most common workflows. Step 3. Choose the right automation recipe. For example, when status changes to done arrow notifies someone every time a new item is created, arrow assign to person X. When a date arrives, arrow change status to in progress. Pick recipes that match your repetitive tasks. Step 4, customize triggers and actions. Adjust the trigger, what starts the automation, and action, what happens next, to match your exact workflow. This ensures it works correctly for your team. Step 5, test the automation. Run a test by completing a task or triggering the event to make sure the automation works as intended. Adjust if needed. Step 6, combine automations for multi-step processes. You can chain automations like when task is done implies notify manager implies move item to completed group. This reduces manual intervention. Step 7, monitor automation usage. Check admin to billing to usage to make sure your automations aren't exceeding your plan limits, which could pause them. Step 8, refine and optimize. Review your automations regularly. Disable unnecessary rules, simplify complex automations, and make sure they keep workflows efficient. Automating repetitive tasks in Monday.com helps save time, reduce errors, and ensure your team stays on track without manual updates. Follow these steps, and your workflows will run smoothly with minimal effort. See you in the next guide.